Hey everybody, so day 13, we are going to multiply decimals. This is another 4th grade skill. Let's review it, okay? Common mistakes. You always think that the longer number is the larger number. That is not always true, okay? This is an example, okay? 43 and 7/10. This is only 3 digits. This is 4 digits. You have 3 digits, 4 digits. Okay, but guess what? This number is larger than this one. Speaking of money, this is $43.07, and this is $1.345. Okay, so just because the number is longer doesn't necessarily mean that it's larger. That is a pretty common mistake. Okay, another mistake: when you multiply decimals, you don't need to line up the units. Okay, it's not like you are adding or subtracting. You are multiplying. You don't need to line them up. Okay, another mistake: you might need placeholders. Okay, we'll talk about that later. And last but not least, don't forget to shift the decimal point at the end. When you find out the product of these two factors, you need to calculate the product here, and you need to shift the decimal point at the end. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so look. Start with the 7. 7 times 5. I'm going to go fast. I'm going to assume you know your multiplication facts. If not, please review those. 7 times 5, 35. Sorry, I'm going to try to do this. 7 times 4, 28, plus 3 is 31. 7 times 3, 21, plus 3, 24. 7 times 1, 7, plus 2, 9. Have you seen how straight my numbers are? Okay, now I am done with the 7. Erase this. Now I'm going to start with the 3. It's the second digit. So because it's the second digit, I need a placeholder. Only one, okay? Now, common mistake. You usually jump straight into the second digit. Okay, you need to go one by one. So 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 4, 12, plus 1, 13. 3 times 3, 9, plus 1, 10. 3 times 1, 3, plus 1, 4. Okay? I'm done with my 3. Again, my numbers are straight. Okay? Okay, last one. Oh, 4. Let me erase this first. 4. This is the third digit. So you need not one placeholder, but 2. And now you can keep going. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 4, 16, plus 2, 18. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 3, 12, plus 1, 13. 4 times 1, 4, plus 1, 5. Okay, so let's add them all. So 5, 6, sorry, I'm too close. 7, 17, 8, and 5. And now remember, error number 4, don't forget to shift the decimal point. Some of you are going to make the mistake. Oh, the decimal point is here, so I'm going to put a decimal point there. Or you may choose that one. Who cares? That means you are clueless, okay? When you multiply decimals, you need to count how many digits are after the decimal point. Look, this is one number after the decimal point. 2 numbers after the decimal point, 3 numbers after the decimal point. And in the second factor, you have a 4th number after the decimal point. You see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, don't forget to shift. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. So that's where your decimal goes. And because you don't want to look like a kindergarten kid, you erase those arrows over there. Okay, so that is your product. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention: the longer number, not the larger, but the longer number, if possible, try to put it on top when using the standard algorithm. Okay, it's always easier, at least for me, but up to you. If you switch, it doesn't really matter. But piece of advice: the longer number, try to put it on top. See, here the longer number is the second factor. But I put it first. Why? Because it's longer. That's all. Okay? Well, it's been a long video, but hopefully it helps. If you have any question, please let me know, okay? Bye. Good luck.